Hey Stampers, it's Gaynor again, and I'm back with card 4 of my challenge with Mandy, and I'm going to show you it straight first and then I'll show you how to make it. And it's all to do with the Rooted in Nature set. Beautiful. And I was gifted some multimedia papers and there was this beautiful green foil. So I've used, this is my second lot of the die cuts, so I'm still on track, Mandy Moo. I've used a Woodlands embossing folder and I've just lightly coloured with a bit of Old Olive and Tranquil Side to tie in with all the colours. Words are never enough, I don't think they are, but I've done it on the inside as well. I've took half of my, well, about a third of my card in, and I've run that through so as well. So here you can write your message, and we're getting some decoration on the inside as well. I'm starting to love this decorating on the inside stuff. So I'm going to show you how I made this one. Your card pieces, I've already run these through the Big Shot just to get them prepped, and these are my bits of designer series paper. I am using up scraps as well, and if I have no scraps then they're the ones with the full sheets that you see. So this is Tranquil Side and it's 8 1/4 by 5 7/8, and we just fold and burnish it in half. And I like to burnish them on both sides. It keeps the card nice and flat. So there's our card. These are our pieces. So I'm going to switch these around this time. They were the other way around on the card. They were like this on the first card. So now I'm just going to flip and attach them this way. This one measures, excuse me, 2 1/4 by 5 5/8, and this one measures 1 1/2, so by 5 5/8. Excuse me, a little bit of a frog in my throat. Just leaving a nice little border all the way through top to bottom. Oh, a little bit low up there, never mind. And we're going to attach this piece. We're going to be doing a little bit of sponging. It seemed to take me ages to do one card, and then when I come on camera to show you how I made it, they seem to go up in a flash, but they are bonus cards, so you still get your premiere at 10. So there's that. This piece is just A4, my white cardstock, which is 300 GSMs. I think it can stand going through the Big Shot. I know this one has as well, but now I'm going to sponge this. You won't see all that brilliant white. So I've got my Tranquil Side one. I'm just going to use my, no, that's not it, no, there it is, Old Olive. These I've got ink on from ages ago, and I'm only using the Old Olive on the front piece, and I'm just rubbing. I've not reapplied any fresh ink. I'm just going to get a bit of colour on there, make it look a bit woodland-like. That's why this scrap paper. I like to put things away as we go. This one is, like I say, it's got an old one. It was Wild Wasabi. I'm going to put a fresh sticker on there now because it's the Tranquil Side one. Wild Wasabi has retired, so I'm just going over the branches mainly. Maybe in those areas as well. Because they're not all just one colour green, are they? So woodlands and stuff like that. I think that's really cute. And now for the inside of my card. I'm just going only on the branches. only on the trees themselves. I'm sorry if you can hear like a droning in the background. It's my dryer. It's on downstairs in the kitchen. I'm going to be buying a trolley soon to put my big shot on, so I can do it at the side of me. You still won't be able to see me die cut, but at least I won't have to go anywhere to die cut or pre-cut it. I like to line it up in front of you all. So there's that Tranquil Side now. Just think it's going to look really nice when somebody opens the card to find that they've got a bit of embossing on the inside as well. Lovely. So my trusted ATG gun is still waiting to retire again, so I will have to get some more tape runners. I'm just going to pop this on the inside. There we go. So our card is prepped for the front, the back, at the inside, and now this is going to go on the front. I'm using dimensionals because I want to show you what I did. If you notice here, that is the really thick baker's twine that comes in the Rooted in Nature pack. So I tied it in a double knot, and the strings were so far apart, I just carried on tying them in knots. And so it looks like a piece of knot wood. It's got a pattern on it. I think that's really cute. Right, my dimensionals. Gosh, I put things away knowing I'm going to use them. So I'm using the ones from down the side. And what I'm going to do is just attach down these sides. Whoops, it's really sticky. So they're going to go down the sides, and then I'm going to get another piece just to run it. That's the way, so I want that towards the top. And this is going to give it some stability at the top. Is that the top? Yeah, it's not the top of what it is, the bottom. Oh, so I want them closer towards the bottom because I'm going to tuck my leaves in from behind. So when I've attached, I can tuck my leaves in from behind. Excuse me, my throat feels really rough today. Love it. How cute that panel. So this is 4 1/8 by 2. And I'm not going to press anything until I know I've got it in the right place. So I just want to get this, make sure that's perfectly straight. That's better. And I've got a fraction. I'm not going to really complain about that tiny little bit. So, looking good, Mrs. G, looking good. So, this is the tree I cut out, and those beautiful leaves. So they're just going to tuck right in there. Once I have added a little bit of glue onto the back. Ooh. Or we could attach them No, we can't now. See, because I haven't got a glue. Oh, and do you know what I've forgotten again? I curse myself for doing this. I always rush and forget something. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to thread this down. I was meant to wrap it round. Poke it in as far as I can, and then I'm going to try my best to hook it if I can. Come on, stay down that side. Well, I don't know if you watch The Walking Dead. Oh my god, I love it. And they've got this group of zombies now called the Whisperers. Oh, I'm still on pins. There it is, it's coming. It's coming slowly but surely. Come on. So if I slide that now, it shouldn't be. There we go, there it is. Yay! You're supposed to do this beforehand, Gaynor. So I'm going to cut a fair bit off this one. Try and make that little knot a little bit longer. We can't, it's not going to come out the end because we've added our dimensionals mostly down that side. So I'm just going to tie a knot. There we go, there's the first one. I did try and tie a bow, but see how they stayed together? So what I did then was just carried on knotting and knotting. I didn't have as much as this on the first card, so I'm going to do it nice and neat. And I'm just going to keep knotting it all the way down so I get a good length, and then I can trim off the excess. You want to try and keep it straight though, you don't want to try to bunch it up. It looks like a chain link then. There, be able to get a few more ones round. See what I've done there? It looks like a chain link. I think that's really cute. Just doing a few more now. I think that is really nice. And it's something different. We normally have a ribbon that's cut to an angle, or we have baker's twine bows and just little knots, but I think that is so cute. So I think that's really nice. I think that's about right now. So, and I don't think it'll come undone with all those knots. It's just something different, you know, to have a play around with your ribbons and stuff. I think that is absolutely gorgeous. Just lovely. Perfect. Yay! Right, now my gluing comes in. I glue my glorious leaves in. You don't need a hell of a lot of glue on this. It depends if you want it all laying down or which way you want them to lay down. Oopsie-daisy. I think I'm going to put that one over that way a bit and have my little one just through the centre. Perfect. Now I always use, if you want to keep them down permanent, I'm just gonna get a little tiny bit of glue. because I haven't attached any to the back of here yet. Same with this one. Isn't that cute? It is so pretty. I can't believe how dark it is in here. It's really doing my... Oh, I need a touch. I'm just going to grab my dimensionals, the little ones. I've got 3 half ones left. So I can grab one for the stem. And halfway up. And then I'm going to use smaller dimensionals to get in here. And in here. And then making sure they squash down so I can get the backings off. Oops. Fingers and thumbs. And then I'm just going to add a tiny amount of glue just to the tip. So I can add my beautiful tree just there. You don't want to add dimensions on there because it would raise up too much. So that's that. Pop my glue away. I hope you're enjoying this series of cards. This is card 4, so I've got 3 more to do for you. So just going to grab that's how easy it is to clean that, and it's soft as a brush now, nothing to catch on there. And now for my sentiment, I just sorted out just a small piece, a very thin one of my strips, and there it is, tiny thin strip. That's all I want. And I'm using the words are never enough. I'm going to add a bit of contrast now. I'm going to do this in Grapefruit Grove and add a splash of colour. Oh, my back is killing. And I'm just going to see, it's not straight, is it? Right, flip it over. And I'm just going to, if I get my head in there, I do apologise. That's better. Yay. So, I grab my little scissors and I'm just going to pen at the end. Perfect. I'm going to put that back in my little see those little tiny pieces come in really handy for sentiments, especially nice thin ones like these. So I'm going to flip it over, grab myself some dimensionals. Oh, and it's just stuck on top. There we go. Remove the backings while we're here. One and one more, and that is just going to sit right under there. That's so cute. I absolutely love that. So there's card one. The first one I made and the second one. I am loving that. I'm going to grab some where I can find them. Excuse me. Where did I put them today? Oh, right here. I got myself a... no, they're my new ones. Let's see if we've got tiny enough embellishment to go in the back on these, because I've got these beautiful wooden embellishments. Let's see if we've got something small enough. You can actually colour these as well, so what do you think this needs? Tiny little butterfly. Let's pop one out and see. It's so very delicate. And I'm going to grab a little blob of glue. Oops. And I'm just going to pop that on there. Just like that. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. And I'm even going to leave it in the wood colour. What do you reckon? So there is card number 5. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. It's just so cute. I'm loving this knot. I love the way it looks like a chain link. It's beautiful. And my beautiful butterfly. So there is card number 4 with the embossed inside as well. I think it just looks absolutely lovely. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you give me a thumbs up because I think it's absolutely amazing. And come back and see what card number 5 is tomorrow. Love you all. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget the bell. You'll get notified then, and you'll see all, and you won't miss any future videos. Till then, take care. Bye.